Accounting is not just about numbers, it's about understanding the story they tell and the impact they have on business decisions. Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Before we talk about the topic, let's meet our team. Hello, my name is Renata Angelika.
Hello, my name is Uchi Anggraini Mahendra.
Hello, my name is Zalfa Putri Xaviera.
Hello, my name is Fitri Zahrani.
Hello, my name is Eri Asriani.
We are Ineffable Team from Politeknik Negeri Batam.
In this digital era, which is filled with AI, there are no issues that say accountants can be replaced by AI, such as bookkeeping, auditing, and financial reporting. But we replace this statement because accounting is not just about numbers and data, it also includes interpretation, ethics, and decision-making that require human judgment.
Modern accountants are expected to contribute more in strategy decision-making, risk management, and sustainability initiative. We as an accountant will have more opportunities and needed to provide opinions and insight that can shape the future of the company.
Gen Z especially has grown up as a digital native. They have an extraordinary ability to use digital access information and communication effectively. This gives Gen Z a great opportunity to utilize technology in accounting, such as the use of accounting software, data analysis tools, ERP, and new technologies.
Based on the result of the study, the use of professional accountant is still quite high. In kantor jasa akuntan wilayah Kepulauan Riau, data entry, compliance, bill preparation, reconciliation, audit investigation, tax documents, and financial statement are still 100% performed by accountants. This shows that accounting work still relies on professional than on technology.
In conclusion, AI may change accounting in general, but human judgment, ethics, and decision-making are still essential. And we as Gen Z accountants who are skilled in technology, we will equipped for this shift. Alright, that's all from us. Thank you for your time and your attention.
See you at Aspiring Professional Accountants Champions 2024.